Companies linked to Adani Group have now lost a whopping $65 billion in market value in just 3 days of trading, after the US-based short seller Hindenburg Research published its damning findings last week. Hindenburg has accused Adani of brazen stock manipulation and accounting fraud. The American firm says Adani family members have run a series of shell companies to manipulate their balance sheets. The fallout of these allegations has created a stir across the Indian corporate ecosystem. For starters, 4 of the Adani Group's companies, Adani Wilmar, Adani Power, Adani Green Energy and Adani Total Gas, were locked in the lower circuit on Monday. The Life Insurance Corporation of India, LIC, which is the country's biggest insurer, has been forced to clarify its exposure to the Adani stocks. LIC says its overall exposure is less than 1% of its total assets. And what's more, Adani's net worth has fallen by over $40 billion since last week. Adani Group has staunchly defended its corporate practices. It issued a rebuttal to Hindenburg Research on Sunday. The Indian company has rejected all the 88 allegations against it, leveled by the Hindenburg Research last week. It said 65 of the questions have already been addressed in the company's financial statements and reports, while 18 relate to public shareholders and third parties. It called the remaining 5 questions as baseless allegations. The Adani Group has exuded confidence about its 20,000 crore rupees follow-on public offer. There has been a big question mark on the fate of the FPO. The Adani Group has also accused Hindenburg of profiteering from the crisis. The truth of the matter is that Hindenburg is an unethical short seller. A short seller in the securities market books gain from the subsequent reduction in prices of shares. Hindenburg took short positions and then, to effect a downward spiral of share prices and make a wrongful gain, Hindenburg published a document to manipulate and depress the price of stock and create a false market. Further, Adani has termed the report as an attack on India. I'm quoting, "This is not merely an unwarranted attack on any specific company, but a calculated attack on India, the independence, integrity and quality of Indian institutions, and the growth story and ambition of India." Despite Adani's rebuttal, Hindenburg has doubled down on its allegations. The US firm has accused Adani of stoking a nationalist narrative. It has now accused Adani of looting the country and holding back India's future. It has further claimed that Adani has failed to answer 62 of the 88 questions raised by it. The US firm has raised doubts over the role of Vinod Adani. He is Gautam Adani's elder brother. Hindenburg says Vinod Adani transferred billions of dollars through a network of shell companies based in tax havens like Mauritius and Cyprus. And these firms were allegedly used for stock parking or stock manipulation engineering, Adani's accounting. For now, both Adani and Hindenburg Research are standing their ground in this corporate encounter. And we have to wait and watch to see who blinks first. WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.